You start completely from scratch, which is kind of cool because it's the first, I feel like, a real campaign that us as students are getting to work on. So you start from the absolute beginning and you try to find the client problem, right? So you're trying to look for what is Adobe stock missing, what do they need, what can they use this campaign for, and then from there you're kind of throwing everything to the wall and seeing what sticks.
You get like a tagline, your single most compelling message, which is like the statement of your campaign.
And we gave them what we call like a tissue session.
Professor Schwab calls it the tissue session because it's, you get an idea at a restaurant, write it on a napkin, present it to a client.
We made roughs.
So it's just these ideas, what we're thinking of, general headlines, taglines, images, that kind of stuff.
We made probably like 200 of them.
We presented that to the client about 2 weeks ago, and now
we're making our comps, which is actually using Photoshop, Adobe, Illustrator, all those awesome programs in the Creative Cloud that we have access to, and making these advertisements come to life. Even just like brainstorming headlines, you come up with so many, and that's honestly the hardest part, is because you have to figure out, I have all these amazing ideas that sound good, but do they actually work?
You want consistency. So if something is going to be different, it needs to, if you were to see, a bus ad versus an Instagram ad, you want someone to be able to look at that Instagram ad and say, oh my gosh, this is the exact same thing that I saw on that bus that was going around campus the other day. So we're going to be making different ads. They're going to have different images, but the themes are going to be the same.
Billboards, social media, print, posters, any channel you can think of, any place that we have access to advertising, we want to.
It is a little bit nerve-wracking to be on a Zoom call with Adobe, which, like I said, they're like top dogs. We go home and we think about this project, and whenever we wake up, we think about an idea that we have. It's just really cool that we're already getting access to a client like that as seniors in college.
Hopefully our campaign gets run sometime next year and we all get to see it. That'd be really cool to leave my senior year and maybe come back for a football game next year or a basketball game and see one of my ads up somewhere around campus.